how to share pictures in Gallery to WhatsApp or other messenger app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Gallery app, or in the app screen, open up the Gallery app. Next, in here, go back to your Gallery homepage. Tap on the Pictures tab down here so you can view all the pictures. In here, touch and hold on one of the pictures. Once you are in a selection mode, you can select one or many photos. So select the photos that you want to send. Then tap on Share. Now in here, you can choose WhatsApp. If you don't see WhatsApp, just simply scroll across or select More. If WhatsApp is not in the list here, that means you haven't installed WhatsApp on your device. So make sure you install WhatsApp or any other messenger apps that you want to use. And then tap on the app. Next, select a conversation or a contact. And then tap on the send button here. Here you can add in caption and then tap on send. And that's it. So we have now sent 3 pictures from the gallery to WhatsApp. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.